Go to the edit menu, click on grid setting and enter the grid dimension you wish to create. I am entering a value of 100. Click on the initialize button. It will create a 3D grid. Next, you go to the module menu, click on the lattice button, and under the lattice menu, click on unit lattice and click settings. Under the lattice type, you can see a drop down menu which will contain different unit lattice equations. You can select the type of unit lattice you wish to create. These are the different type of unit lattice. Once you select a unit lattice, you can visualize it by clicking on this button. The unit lattice, whatever you selected here, will be displayed in the viewport. You can see two buttons here, approximation and real button. If you click on real button, it will calculate the lattice structure based on the exact equation. If you click on the approximation button, it will calculate the FFT approximation of the unit lattice. While creating the spatially varying lattice, the unit lattice referred from the approximation value. The purpose of real button is given here for the user to visualize how much the approximated unit lattice structure is deviated from the exact equation. Three sliders are given here: ISO value, ISO range minus and ISO range plus. By changing the values over these sliders, you can visualize how the unit lattice is changing over this field. 3D viewport is changes only when moving the values over the ISO range minus or ISO range plus sliders. Upper bound of ISO range minus slider is limited to 0.1 less than the ISO value. Lower bound of ISO range plus slider is limited to 0.1 higher than the ISO value. Similarly, you can select different lattice from this drop down menu. Follow the same procedure to see the changes in the 3D field corresponding to the selected lattice. You can also check the exact equation of the real lattice and compare with the approximated lattice. Go to the view menu, click on view settings and select the rotate button. It will help in visualizing the unit lattice more accurately. You can also change the lattice parameters while rotating the lattice. So that you will get a better understanding of how the unit lattice is changing over the 3D space.